For example, it is written 10x equal to 2. Okay, that means x is multiplied by 10. Then we are getting 2. So how we have to solve for x. So how we are going to proceed? Here it is in numerator, 10 is multiplied with x. If we transfer it on the right hand side, it will be x equal to 2 by 10. It will come in denominator, x equal to 1 by 5. Okay, now check once. 10 into, when x equal to 1 by 5, put x equal to 1 by 5. How much we are getting? Again, 2.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. That's so we can verify as well that we have solved it correctly. Okay, never write it like this. 10x equal to 2. X equal to 10 by 2. It is wrong. It is wrong. Because x is multiplied by 10. So if we take on the right hand side, it will be 2 by 10. Always remember this one. Okay. Okay, up to 5th question, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Where were you at 10:40? When I was asking. Where were you at 10:40? Page number A57. A57 it is. A55 I think now. A55. X plus 4. X plus 4 divided by 2x plus 1. X plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. This is the question. We have to solve for x. So see here, it is like this form. A divided B equal to C upon D. Is it? So we can cross multiply. A into D equal to B into C. We can do cross multiply. D is in denominator right hand side. If we take on the left hand side, it will come in numerator. B is in denominator in the left hand side. And if we take on it on the right hand side, it will come in numerator. So just multiply them. So it will be like this: x plus 4 into 2x minus 1 equal to x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. Now solve. Okay. At last, terms in x square. Terms of x square will get cancelled. You will have only terms, linear terms there. Okay. This is fine. You can solve further. Okay, if you don't get it, ask tomorrow. Okay. Now 6th first. Can we simply cross multiply?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am not getting the correct answer.
Okay, do one thing. Afterwards, text me on WhatsApp. Okay, send the pic. Okay. After 12:30, I'll see. Okay. So now 6th one. 3 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 3 equal to 4 upon x minus 2, 2x x minus 2. Okay, can we cross multiply here simply? See here, earlier the term was like this: a by b equal to c by d. Okay, we can simply cross multiply. But see here, on the left hand side, there is plus sign.
Yes, sir, we can't do cross multiply.
We can't cross multiply. So first we have to simplify before cross multiply. So first left hand side we will solve. First we will solve left hand side. So how we are going to solve left hand side? We have to do what? We have to take LCM. We will take the LCM. So what will be the LCM? X minus 1 into x minus 3. Is it fine? Okay, this question is like this: 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 equal to, okay, some numbers, x by 7 will do. Okay, x by 6. Okay, now how to solve this one? First we will solve the left hand side. So 6, 3, and here will be 4. Is it fine? Equal to x by 6. Now 6 get cancelled, x equal to 7. This is fine. So first we have to simplify left hand side. Okay, simplify the left hand side there. Everyone do in their notebook. Start doing, solve it. So what will be the numerator here? First term of the numerator, 3 into what we have to multiply with?
3.
X minus 3. Okay, then plus sign, 1 into x minus 1. Okay, this will be our left hand side, and right hand side, no change. Okay, now solve this one. How much it will be? 3x minus 3. We open the bracket, plus x minus 1 upon. If you multiply them, what will be getting? So see here, you can multiply somewhere, or you can multiply there. X minus 1 into x minus 3. How we have to multiply? So first, take x, multiply with x and 3. So what will be getting? X into x, x square. X into minus 3.
Sir, it will be. Sir,
Just-
in
just-
left hand side, 3x minus 9
Sir,
will be there.
3x minus will be there.
9.
Sir. Minus
Yes.
9.
Good. 3x minus 9. Okay. X square minus 3x. This is fine. Now what we'll do? With minus 1, we multiply x minus 3. Understood this one? Or should I write one more step like this? X into x minus 3. This minus sign, minus x minus 3. Now multiply that. So minus 1 into x, minus x. Minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3. So how much we are getting? X square minus 4x plus 3. Is it correct? So write it here. Minus 4x plus 3 equal to 4 upon x minus 2. Solve this one. What we are getting? 3x plus x, 4x minus 10. X square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 4 upon x minus 2. Now what we'll do?
Cross multiplication.
Now can we do cross multiplication? Because they are in the form of a by b equal to c by 2. Okay? They are in the form of, we can do that one. You can do one more thing as well. Take 2 common out, 2 cancel, that was, okay, leave that one. You will get confused. Okay. Now cross multiply. So 4x minus 10 will be multiplied with, here this is the,
X minus 2.
this is the denominator in the right hand side. So it will become numerator in the left hand side. So big bracket x minus 2 bracket. And here 4 into, this is in denominator in left hand side, it will come in numerator. So x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay. Now we will solve this one. Or we can do one thing. Can we take 2 outside from this one? Here you can do one thing. Take 2 outside, 2 and 2 will cancel from here. Or you can solve it like this. Okay. Okay. So I'm not taking 2 outside. Okay. So, and if we now we multiply them. So how you are going to multiply?
4x square minus 18x plus 20.
This one first. So 4x will be multiplied with x first. What we are getting? 4x square. 4x into minus 2. Remember, minus 2. So minus 8x. Is it fine? Now, this minus 10. It will be multiplied with x and minus 2. Minus 10x. Minus 10 into minus 2 plus 20. On right hand side, we have 4x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay. Now solve for the 4x square minus 18x plus 20. You can open the bracket here. 4x square minus 16x plus 4 3 are 12. Okay. Now see here. Mainly in this chapter, we'll be having linear equations. What we are having? Quadratic equations on the left hand side as well on the right hand side. You can see they get cancelled. Can you see? 4x square, if we take it on the left hand side, 4x square minus 4x square. They cancelled. What is remaining? Minus 18x. Minus 16x goes on this side, plus 16x, and 20 goes on right hand side. 12 minus 20. So how much it is? Minus 2x equal to how much? Minus 8. Minus on both sides, we can remove. 2x equal to 8. X equal to, now it is in numerator. See, it is in numerator. If we take it on the right hand side, it will come in denominator. So x will be how much? 4. 4 is the answer. 4. Okay. Understood this one? Okay. Go through it once for a minute and then try to solve the next question. Go through it once.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
How 4x 2 can
Okay, this
Sir.
get cancelled. Okay. We'll write one more step. Yes, you can
Sir.
ask.
sir, I not understood that step, sir. 3 bracket x minus 3 plus x, sir. That step I not understood.
Okay.
Sir, how they both
Okay.
get?
One more step we'll write. One more step we'll write. Any more doubts? Any more doubts you
Sir,
have?
my answer is coming 5 upon 4.
5.4. Check once again wherever you have made the mistake. 5 upon 4 you are getting. 5 upon 4. 4 will be there, but here somewhere check. X terms you check, somewhere you made mistake. Are you getting minus 18x and here minus 16x? Or minus 9x here? Here minus 8x.
Sir, it is correct. Sir, I want to ask.
Yes, sir, I got my mistake.
It is correct.
Okay.
I didn't write x after 18.
Okay.
It is correct.
It's not a bit clear. Okay, do one thing, send me afterwards. Yes, now it's clear. Okay, send me afterwards on WhatsApp. I'll check them. Okay. Okay, check it once. See here. So here is the one doubt here, one step here. So see here again, question is 3 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 3 equal to 4 upon x minus 2. So if I tell you to add this one, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 upon 3, how you are going to add them? What you do? You take the LCM first.
Sir, take LCM.
Okay, so LCM is what? 2 into 3. This is the LCM. So first term you have to multiply with 3 into 3 into 3. Then only you are getting denominator 6. So 1 into 3 plus, now second term you will multiply both by numerator divided by 2. So 2 into 2. The same thing we are doing there. So what we are getting LCM? X minus 1 into x minus 3. That means first term we have to multiply with x minus 3, numerator and denominator. Then only we will get this as denominator. So 3 into x minus 3 plus 1. This term you multiply with x minus 1. Understood?
sir.
Okay. And see here what we are doing. We got this step. Now all the x terms on left hand side you take. So what you are getting? 4x square minus 18x. Okay. Now 4x square from this side we take on the left hand side. Minus 4x square. Okay. Now minus 16x, it will be plus 16x equal to 12 minus 20. Now see here, 4x square minus 4x square, 0. Minus 18x plus 16x, we are getting minus 2x equal to minus 8. Understood now?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, can you explain from starting?
I won't be able to explain. Tell me where you have the doubt, I can explain that. Wherever you have the doubt, tell me where you have the doubt.
Sir, in step with that 3 bracket x minus 3, there I have doubt.
Here,
Sir, next, sir, this one.
here. Okay,
Yes,
these
sir.
are same. These are same. Okay, I give you one question. Okay, the question is 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2x. Okay, now add them. How you are going to add? Take the LCM. What will be the LCM? 2x. 2x will be the LCM. So first term, denominator you have to make 2x. For that you have to multiply by 2. So it will be 2 into 1 plus, it is 2x already. Okay. Okay. I'll explain you differently. See here. I take you the same question. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Okay. We have to add them. So see here, how we can add. It is always told that we have to make the denominator same. Then we can add the numerators. This you already know. So how to make the denominator same? Their LCM is how much? 15. That means to make it 15, what you have to do? 1 upon 3, numerator as well multiply with 5. Denominator as well multiply with 5. Plus 2 upon 5 it is. We have to make the denominator 15. So we have to multiply by 3. Okay. See here, we haven't changed the number. Number remains same. It is 1 by 3 only. It is 2 by 5. We only did multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. This is fine. Now, next is what? 5 upon 15 plus 6 upon 15. Now, denominators are same. We can add the numerator. So next step will be 15, 5 plus 6. We can write it like this. This is fine. Now take that question. This is important question. If you understand this, you will be able to solve the further questions. So we can take good time for this question. Okay, see it again. It is 3 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 3. We have to add them. We have to add them. So first we have to make the denominator same. What is the LCM? LCM is x minus 1, x minus 3. That means both the denominator should be x minus 1 into x minus 3. So take first term 3 upon x minus 1. 3 upon x minus 1. So to make the denominator this one, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by x minus 3. X minus 3. Okay. Plus here we have 1 upon x minus 3. This time you have to make the denominator x minus 1, x minus 3. So what we'll do? We multiply with x minus 1. Okay. Both numerator and denominator. Understood this one? See here, we haven't changed the numbers. They are still same. They are still same. You can cancel these, you get this one. You cancel this, you get the number. Same. We haven't changed the quantity. We just multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So the same expression. Okay. Now, as both have the denominator same, we can write it like this: x minus 1, x minus 3. And in numerator it will be 3 into x minus 3 plus x minus 1. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve second one. Solve second one. Everyone solve second one.
Sir,
Solve
solved.
the
Sir,
Good.
solved.
Yes, if you have solved, you can solve
Solved.
further. Okay, solve second one. You will get most of the doubts cleared in second question. Solve it yourself. If you understand these, it will be very easy exercise, very easy chapter. Solving the problems of the world in X. Yes. Okay, so next question is 3 upon x plus 2. I write it like this. X plus 2 minus 1 upon x plus 1. 3 upon x plus 2. 2 upon x plus 3. 1 upon x plus. Okay, 3 upon x plus 2. Okay, again, can we cross multiply simply? We can't cross multiply because on right hand side, second term is subtracted form. So first we have to solve the subtraction here. Okay, so what will be the next step? What will be the next step? We take the LCM. Okay. 8 Junior Ronak,
3
please tell me
into
that.
x plus 1.
X plus 2 it is. X plus 2, x plus 1. Okay, x plus 3. Okay. What will be the LCM? On left hand side. So LCM will be x plus 2 into x plus 1. Okay. That means the first term we have to multiply with x plus 1, numerator as well. So it will be 3 into x plus 1 minus 1 into x plus 2. Don't forget
X
to put
plus
the
2.
Okay, always remember, mainly some students will put like this as the bracket, like this. So always little bit cow must be there, or sometimes they consider it as 1. Okay, this is fine. Right hand side, no change. 2 upon x plus 3. Anyone have doubt here? Who haven't understood this one? Anyone have doubt?
No,
Okay,
sir.
solve. Okay, solve and tell me now. It will be how much? If you open the bracket, 3x plus 3 minus x plus 2 or minus 2? Here will be what?
Minus.
Minus 2. Why? See here, this
Minus
minus
2.
is multiplied. Minus 1 is multiplied with x as well, as well too. So minus x minus 2. And in denominator, how much you are getting? X into x, x square. X into 1 plus x plus 2x plus 2. Anyone who haven't understood this one, please tell now. See here, wherever you don't understand, ask immediately. Okay, ask immediately. The step you don't understand, ask immediately. This is clear to everyone? Okay, now solve the numerator and denominator here. 3x minus x, how much will be getting?
Sir, you put 2 upon x plus 2. Right hand side.
Okay, x plus 3. Good. This is how we make silly mistakes. Okay. 3x minus x, 2x. Okay. 3x minus x, 2x.
2x
Plus 3
plus
minus
1.
2x plus 1. And here, x square, next term, x plus 2x. 3x plus 2. Go to 2 into 2 upon x plus 3. Now can we cross multiply? Because it is the form of a by b equal to c by d. We can cross multiply now. Okay. So 2x plus 1 into x plus 3 equal to 2 into x square plus 3x plus 2. Is it fine? Now solve and tell what's the answer here. Everyone solve. Anyone have doubt till now? Whatever we have solved.
2x square plus 13x plus 20.
So see here, 2x into x, 2x square plus 6x plus x
12x
plus
plus 3.
3. This is fine. Equal to 2x square plus 6x
6x plus
4. Okay. So here we are having 2x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 2x square plus 6x plus 4. Always remember one thing. This chapter is limited to linear equations. What we are getting? Quadratic equations. That is terms of x square. That means afterwards they are going to sorry, they are going to cancel. Okay. So this is a way to figure out the mistake as well. If they are not cancelling, that means you have made one mistake. Yes.
Third question, sir, I'm not getting answer.
Third question we'll discuss. Don't worry. Okay. For this exercise, I'll be a bit slow because this is the basics. Next exercise, it's about problems. Okay, word problems will be there. So solution will be like this, but these are the basics. So I'm a bit slow here. Okay, you may have made some mistake there. Go through it once and check. Okay. Now what we have got? 2x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 2x square plus 6x plus 4. Okay, all the x terms on left hand side.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why we multiply 3 by x plus 1 in the second step?
3 by this one, x plus 1. Why we have multiplied with this? Are you asking this one? Okay. Tell me here. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. How to take the LCM? 2 into 3. Here will be 1 into 3 or not? 1 into 3.
Yes, sir.
So here we are having 3. Denominator is x plus 2. We have to make the denominator x plus 2 into x plus 1. That means 3 will be multiplied with x plus 1. Plus 2 into 2. Have you understood this one? Taking LCM. You have to study the LCMs again. Okay. This is done in 6th class. I think LCMs are there. Go through it once. Okay. So
Sir,
how to
third
take the
question. Sir,
Just a
we can do this. Sir, we can do
What?
this.
Just
sir.
a minute. Just a minute. Okay, now take all the x terms on the right hand side. X square minus 2x square plus 7x minus 6x equal to all the numbers on the right hand side. 4 minus 3. Understood this step? 2x square minus 2x square 0. 7x minus 6x x equal to 1. Understood? Anyone have doubt?
Sir, in the third step, why we take x
No,
plus
sir.
2x in the downside?
Third step. This step only you are saying.
No, sir, downside one, this. Yes,
This?
sir. Why we take x plus 2x?
Okay. Okay, solve this one. Solve this one. This will be this. X plus 2 into x plus 1. Solve for a minute. Solve this one. What you will be getting? If you open the bracket, multiply these two expressions we have, x plus 2 and x plus 1. Multiply them. This we have done. This first term, x into x plus 1 plus 2 into x plus 2. 2 into x plus 1. Okay. What you are doing? Multiplying x, then these two. Okay. X square plus x plus 2x plus 2. Understood this one? We have
Yes, sir.
multiplied these two terms. This way of it. Yes, any more doubts?
We have done 6th and can we start 7th?
Yes, you can start. You can solve up to 8th as well. You can complete the exercise. You've understood.
Any more?
Yes, ask question again.
Sir, is there any other solution how to solve this question?
The solution in this way only. Little bit you can make like changes. Like you can take this on this side then it will be plus, then you can solve. But mainly this is the only way.
Sir, now third question. Sir, third question.
Okay, third question. This is clear to everyone? Okay, start
Yes,
solving
sir.
third. Start solving third.
So solved.
So solved.
Okay. Afterwards, do one thing. You have solved in classwork notebook. Solve these all questions in rough as well. Okay. Starting from fifth. Solve it once again in rough so that you will understand clearly. Okay. Third question, 1 upon x plus 3. 1 upon x plus 3 plus x plus 2. What is the numerator? 1. 2 upon x plus 4. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so again, what you have to do? Take the LCM. What will be the LCM? X plus 3, x plus 2. Understood? Now, numerator and denominator first term will multiply with s plus 2. So here 1 into x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 3. Or there is no need to put the bracket here, but still I put, no issue. X plus 4. Okay. Multiply the denominator. What we are getting? X into x, x square. X into 2, 2x. 3 into x plus 3x plus 6. This is the denominator. Understood this one? We have multiplied these two expressions. Okay, in numerator what we are getting? X plus 2 plus x plus 3 equal to 2 upon x plus 4. Okay, what we are getting in numerator? 2x plus 5. In denominator, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 2 upon x plus 4. Now can we cross multiply? Now cross multiply them. Okay, 2x plus 5 into x plus 4. 2 into x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, go through it once if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, go through it once. If you haven't understood, go through it once. And solve it yourself. Always have the pen and notebook and solve. In mathematics, never just watch the answer, okay? You have to solve, starting from 2. Okay, so now what you have got? 2x plus 5, x plus 4, okay? Here is 2 into x square plus 5x plus 6. Solve this one. So 2x will be multiplied with these two, and 5 with these two, okay? So what will be writing next? 2x into x, 2x square, plus 2x into 4, 8x, plus 5 into x, 5x, plus 5 into plus 4, plus 20. On right hand side, 2x square, we are opening the bracket, plus 10x plus 12. Understood? Now you can see as well, 2x square getting cancelled. That means we may have solved correctly. Okay. Now all the x terms on left hand side you take. 2x square minus 2x square. Taken? Okay. This is how much? 13x and minus 10x. Equal to how much? 12 minus 20. This is fine. They get cancelled. These two terms. 0. 13x minus 10x. 3x. Equal to how much? Minus 8. X equal to how much? Minus 8 upon 3. Understood? Do you have doubt? Understood?
Only.
Yes. Yes, ask again.
Questions. Everybody can.
I'm not getting you.
Okay, sir. Sir, I understood. Sir, I done somewhere mistake. That's why I got this
Okay.
answer.
So always check. So how to check? Don't go through the same answer. Solve it in rough once. Okay. Solve it in once in rough. Okay. That way you will figure out the mistake. Or you may skip if you check in this one. Once you check in this here, if you have made any mistake, you don't figure out the mistake, solve it again. Okay. Solve it again in rough. That way you may figure out the mistake. This is clear. So try to solve up to 8th. Okay. 7th and 8th again we'll do tomorrow, but try to solve them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Try to solve 7th and 8th question.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Have a-
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you.
up to what time school remain open?
Okay. It's around 1:30, I think. 1 or 1:30, or maybe 2, I think. You can call it.
So
Call
can
in
we
one.
get the postcard
You can call
of
school
class?
once. I'll as well ask. Okay. Yes. You can exit the class. Thank you all.